Hi everyone, welcome to Insightful Maths. In today's session, we are going to discuss a very important topic of data handling class 8, which is circle graph or the pie chart. So we'll discuss how to read a pie chart, all the terms related to pie chart or the circle graph, and how do we create it, right? So you're requested to please see the video till end so that you are through with how to read and how to make a circle graph. So let's start. So you can see here, what is a circle graph or a pie chart? The both are same when the data is represented in the form of a circle. You can see here, data is represented as certain percentage in the circle. This representation of the whole is known, which is represented in the form of a circle. It is a circle graph. How do we read it? For example, you can see in this particular circle, different colors are representing different things. For example, this color, this is sleeping. This color is school. Then we have playing, TV, and miscellaneous. So these are percentages of the activities or the time invested by a child in particular day. Okay. So let us understand what information we can draw out of it. First of all, a pie graph is used to represent the parts of a whole. A circle is used to represent the whole. For example, if I am bifurcating, if I am showing how 24 hours of a child in particular day, in which all activities he has used his hours and the percentage, and I need to show it in the form of a circle graph. So that is a representation. The total of all these percentages should be 100%. You should always keep in mind, this is a way to check if your calculation is correct or not. When you add all these percentages, the answer should always come as 100%. Let us analyze what all do we, make out from the given information. First of all, have a look, sleep 8 hours, school 6 hours, play 3 hours, other miscellaneous activities 3 hours, and homework 4 hours. So let us first understand these hours, how many total hours this circle is representing. 8 plus 6, how much is that? It is 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 18, 19, 20 plus 4 is 24. So that means this is representing the amount. This is 24 hours of a day. And we are trying to show that how the child has invested 24 hours in a day. So first of all, we need to understand what fraction of a day child has invested in different activities. So very first thing you should understand, given information to fraction. How do you do that? What is this 24? This is the total hours. And how did we get that? We have just added all the numbers. This is 24. What is a fraction? Fraction is part of a whole, right? So if I need to know what is the fraction of sleep, okay, let us do one by one. What is the fraction of sleep? The child has slept for 8 hours out of 24, right? Total hours are 24 and the child has slept for 8 hours. So fraction is 8 by 24. And what is the simplest form? It is 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. That means 1/3 of the time the child has used for sleeping. Similar manner, let us find what is the fraction of the total hours he has invested in school. 6 hours out of 24. So this is 6 by 24. If I go for the simplest form, 6 into 1 is 6. 6 into 4 is 24. That means total 1/4 of the time invested in school. For play, it is 3 hours out of 24. 3 by 24 is what? 3 ones are 3. 3 eights are 24. It is 1 by 8. It is again 3. Same. 1 by 8. And this is 4 hours. So 4 out of 24. 4 ones are 4. 4 6 are 24. So this is how we got the fraction first. It is very important for you to understand how do we get the fraction. What we do? Given number divided by whatever is the total number. Correct? We got the fraction. Now, if the question asks you, What is the percentage of the total which is invested for, let's say, sleep, school, play, others? How do we get percentage? Percent means per 100. So any fraction can be converted to a percentage if we multiply that by 100. Very simple. We have already learned in grade 7. So let us calculate what is the percentage of sleep. Okay. What is the fraction? 1 by 3. Now we are calculating percentage. 1 by 3 into, what is the percentages? 1 by 3 into 100. Just multiply that by 100. 100 divided by 3 will come somewhere around 33.33%. This much is the percentage. Now next one is 1/4. Now percentage, how do we calculate? Fraction multiplied by 100. 100 divided by 4 is what? That is 25. So 25% for school. Now for playing. Play fraction is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 of 100. Right? 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. And 4 5 the 20. It is 25 by 2. If I divide 25 by 2, I'm going to get 12.5 percentage. Right? It was for 1 by 8. Here 1 by 8 is again the same. So percentage here once again will be 12.5%. Last one is 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 multiplied by 100. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 0. Now have a look here. Divide 50 by 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Difference to 0 down. 3 into 6 is 18. Difference to, and I can, after decimal, I can borrow as many zeros. So 666 will continue. So you can take till 2 digit. 6.67 percentage. We got the percentage of each. Please mind, percentage to be calculated only when it is asked in the question, otherwise not required. This is something very important. What is the central angle? We know that in a circle, let's understand from here, we all have seen the protector. It looks something like this. What is the complete degree of this protector? Total 180 degrees are here. If I keep one more protector like this, so 180 degree up, and what is this angle? This is again 180. Is it not making a complete circle? 180 plus 180 is 360 degrees. So understand the total angle made within the circle is always 360 degree. Okay? Total angle is 360 degree. If I have to make this circle graph within the circle, I need to calculate what is the angle for each fraction. ठीक है, it is very important. हम angle कैसे calculate करते हैं? First of all, given information say we have made fraction. You already know, I have explained you. Given information से fraction बनाया. After this, the fraction should be multiplied with 360. So what is the step? First of all, the total information, you have to convert it to fraction. Now, fraction has to be converted to a central angle, right? How do we convert? For example, let us understand using the basic information. This is a circle, right? And let's say half of the circle is shaded. I need to make half. So the fraction I have already got, this is 1 by 2. What is the total degree? 360. So 1 by 2 of 360 degrees. How much is that? It is 180 degrees, and have a look, we have got 180 degree. If the fraction is 1/4, how does 1/4 look like? 1/4 means if I divide it in 4 equal parts and I take this fraction, I need to know what is the degree here. So 1 by 4 multiplied by 360 degree. 360 by 4 is what? That is 90 degree. So you need to measure 90 degree here and then go accordingly. Right? This will become more clear when we'll do a question. Have a look at question number 3 here. This I have picked from exercise 4.1 of data handling. Okay. Draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the colors preferred by a group of people. So this is basically the color preference given to you. and we have to show this using a circle graph. It is very interesting and I'm pretty sure you are going to like it. So what did I tell? Step number 1 is you have to create a fraction from the given information, right? Let us make this table. Blue, green, red and yellow. Total 4 colors are there. How many people like blue? 18. Green is 9. Red is 6. Yellow is 3. And the total number of people is 36. This information is given. Step number 1, you have to create a fraction. After fraction, we will create what is the degree or the central angle. Only this much is required and we'll be able to make a circle graph. अब fraction हमें बनाना है. The people, how many people like blue? 18 out of 36. 18 upon 36 is what? It is 1/2 only. ठीक है, अभी degree नहीं है. We have just got a fraction. Let me just erase it. So the fraction for blue color is 1/2. Now let us see what is the fraction for green. 9 people out of 36. 9 fours are 36. So have we got the fraction 1/4? The fraction for red color is 6 out of 36. 6 ones are 6. 6 6 are 36. We got the fraction 1/6. And the last one is only 3 people like yellow color out of 36. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. The fraction is 1/12. Okay, this much is understood. Now we need to get a degree from this fraction. Okay, so how do we create degree from the fraction? Total degrees in a circle are 360. So now we are finding what is the degree for each color. Total 360 we say half should be given to blue. So what is half of 360 degrees? What is half of 360? That is 180 degrees. So we have simply got the degree for blue color. For green color now, the fraction is 1/4. So 1/4 of 360 degree. 4 nines are 36 along with 0. Simply we have got 90 degrees. Now for the red color, the fraction is 1/6. 1/6 of 360 degrees. 6 6 are 36 along with 0, that is 60 degrees. And in the last for the yellow color, the fraction is 1/12 and the degree multiplied by 360. 12 into 3 is 36 along with zeros, that is equal to 30 degree. ठीक है? Just to cross check your calculation, the total of all these degrees should be 360. Let us check if we have done it correctly or any error is there. 180 plus 90 is how much? अगर 180 में 100 ऐड करो 280, but it is 10 short. It is 270. 270 and 30, 300 and 60 is 360. Total is 360. This means till now our calculation is absolutely correct. Let us learn how to put this in a circle graph. Okay? You have to first make a circle using the compass. I am drawing freehand, so it may look a little untidy, but please understand. First, you have to make a circle of any, a considerable radius. ना बहुत छोटा बनाना, ना बहुत बड़ा बनाना. An average circle is good to go. सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे? सबसे बड़ा डिग्री आप दिखाओ. So that major portion of your circle will be covered. 180 degrees is for what? That is for blue color. What I'll do, I'll try to use the same color. ठीक है? 180 degree is what? That is half of the circle. So what I'm going to do, I will just divide the circle into half. ठीक है? And what is this portion? I'll just color it blue. Right? This portion is showing the blue color preference and degree we already know it is 180 degree. Made here. Another color preference is green. And what is the degree for green? It is 90 degree. Do we know that 1/4 of the circle is 90? तो अगर आप अपना प्रोटेक्टर यहाँ पर रखते हो ना ऐसे, so half of this one, something like this. This one is 90 degree. For example, this one, this shaded portion is 90 degree. Green भी हो गया. Now, what you are going to do, red color preference is 60 degree. अब आपको पता होना चाहिए यहाँ पर आप अपना प्रोटेक्टर कैसे रखोगे? Please understand, for example, this is your protector kept in the downward manner. जैसे आपका ये protector होता है ना, for example, I have kept this, understand. This is a protector, for example, I have kept it like this. ठीक है, हमें ये एंगल मेजर करना है ना. So this angle is, अगर आप यहां से मेजर करना शुरू करो, देखो in your protector 0 is here as well and here as well. I am keeping the center of the protector here. ठीक है, जस्ट इमेजिन कि आपका प्रोटेक्टर ना अभी यहां पर है, इट इज केप्ट हियर लाइक दिस. आप यहां वाले 0 से शुरू करो, 0, 10, 20, 30 है ना, ये 90 तक जाएगा. ऑन 30 मेक अ मार्क एंड देन ज्वाइन इट अप. यहां से आप इसको ज्वाइन कर दो. ये 30 डिग्री क्या था आपका, 30 डिग्री इज द लास्ट येलो कलर, है ना. तो व्हाट, दिस स्मॉलर पोर्शन इज योर येलो कलर. ये जो आपका छोटा वाला पोर्शन आया है ना, दैट इज फॉर येलो कलर. जस्ट कलर इट अप, दिस इज 30. और जो बाकी बचा है आपका 60 डिग्री, वो क्या है, दैट इज द रेड कलर. So either you can write red here or you can color it up. So that is how we have converted the circle graph from the given information. What are the steps? Step number 1, making the fraction. Then fraction multiplied by 360 degrees, you will get the degree. Then you need to learn how to use your protector for measuring the angles here, and you can easily make a circle graph. Let's do one more question. The adjoining pie chart, it gives the marks scored in examination by the student in English, Hindi, Maths, Social Studies and Science. If the total marks obtained by the students were 540. बेटा ये जो पूरा डेटा दिखाता है, this is the total. So total डिग्री कितना है हमारा, that is 540. ठीक है, the given information says the total of the marks is 540. इस पूरे टोटल सर्कल का जो डिग्री है that is 540. In which subject did the student score 105 marks? अब हमें तो नहीं पता, हमें तो सिर्फ डिग्री पता है ना. Let us understand how to convert this degree to marks. अगर total 540 है, please pay attention. If the total is 540, how many total degrees are there in the circle? We have already done this. पूरा circle कितना डिग्री होता है, 360. Very basic information. If 360 डिग्री का कितना मार्क्स है, it is given in the question. It is 540 marks. Simple unitary method we are using. 360 डिग्रीज का मतलब होता है 540 मार्क्स. तो 1 डिग्री का कितना मतलब होगा, जब ज्यादा का वैल्यू गिवन होता है और 1 का निकालना होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, वी ऑलवेज डिवाइड. अब किसको किससे डिवाइड करें, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 360 है ना, राइट हैंड साइड इज 540. मुझे 1 किसे बनाना है, मुझे 1 डिग्री की वैल्यू चाहिए, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को 1 बनाना है. सो इफ आई डिवाइड बोथ द साइड्स बाय 360 लाइक दिस, दोनों को मैंने 360 से डिवाइड किया, 360 divided by 360, is it becoming 1 degree? Yes. So 1 degree is how many marks? 540 by 36. 0, 0 cancel. It is 54 by 36. Let me keep it as a fraction for now. आप इसको simplify भी कर सकते हो. Your answer will be same. ठीक है, अब अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स के हम मार्क्स निकाल लेते हैं. 1 डिग्री की वैल्यू मुझे पता है और मुझे इन डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डिग्रीज का चाहिए. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, इफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 पेन इज 10 रुपीज, व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 5 पेन, इट इज 5 into 10, दैट इज 50. तो एक का वैल्यू पता है, ज्यादा का चाहिए, वी विल ऑलवेज मल्टीप्लाई. ठीक है, 1 डिग्री की वैल्यू है इतना मार्क्स, right? So for example, I need to calculate how many marks in mathematics. What is the degree here? 90 degree. 1 degree में इतना होता है तो 90 में कितना होगा? So you just need to multiply this 90 degree by 54 upon 36. Are you getting it? Why? Total degrees, total circle is 360. Total value, total score is 540. 360 डिग्रीज का मतलब है 540. तो 1 डिग्री कितना हुआ, 540 by 360. वी हैव कन्वर्टेड इट टू द फ्रैक्शन 54 by 36. 1 डिग्री की पता है, अब जितनी जितनी डिग्री चाहिए होंगी हम इसे मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे. सो फॉर मैथ्स 90 into this number, 9 10s are 90, 9 4s are 36. ठीक है, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, तो मेरे पास कितना बचा? 5 into 27. Let us do the calculation here. 7 into 5 is 35. 5 2s are 10 and 3 is 13. Have a look. We have got 135 marks. So in mathematics, the child has scored 135 marks. Let us calculate for social studies now. We know that exactly the same process. 1 डिग्री का मतलब कितना है? 54/36. मुझे कितना डिग्री का चाहिए? I need to know for 65. So social studies में 65 degrees multiply by the value of 1 degree. 54/36. ठीक है? Let us see if this is divisible. Both are even number, divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 9s are 27. Once again, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. अब हम क्या करेंगे? 65 into 3 divided by 2. Because 65 and 3 both are not divisible by 2. तो पहले 65 into 3. 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18 and 1 19. Marks are गए 65 into 3 195, but we have 2 in the denominator. इसको 2 से divide करो. 2 into 9 is 18. Difference is 1, 5 down. 2 7s are 14. Difference is 1. उसके बाद point लगा के 0 and 2 5s are 10. So how many marks in social studies? It is 97.5. So value here is 97.5. Let us calculate for Hindi. Hindi का degree is what? Hindi का degree is 70 degree. तो अगर 1 डिग्री की वैल्यू हमें पता है और हमें 70 की निकालनी है तो क्या करेंगे? What we are doing repeatedly, we will multiply 70 by this number. So for Hindi, let us calculate 70 degrees multiplied by 54/36. So this is 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. 70 is divisible by 2. What is 70 divided by 2? It is 35. Up 35 into 3. 35. 5 3s are 15. 3 3s are 9 and 1 10. What value did we get? 105. So value here is 105. This is how you can calculate the marks in English. 55 into this number. For science, 80 into this number. ठीक है? अब question was asking in which subject did the student score 105 marks? Have we got in Hindi? So answer here for the first one is Hindi. In Hindi, the child has scored 105 marks. Second one, how many more marks were obtained by the student in maths than in Hindi? Whenever there is a comparison, how many more, how many less, every time subtraction has to be done. है ना? More का मतलब addition नहीं होता हर बार. If I have scored 10 marks and you have scored 20 marks. So if I say how many more marks you have scored. So you are not going to add 20 and 10. We'll take the difference. ठीक है? So we need to find the difference of maths and Hindi. What is the difference? 105 and 135. The difference is of 30 marks. दोनों का difference? Answer is 30. Third one. Examine means check out, find out whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than in science and Hindi. अब science के marks तो हमें पता नहीं. Let us find how many marks the child has scored in science. Science का what is the degree? 80. तो हम 80 का क्या करेंगे? For science, 80 has to be multiplied by 54/36. 9 4s are 36. 9 6 are 54. 4 2s are 8 along with the 0. And 20 into 6 is 120. ठीक है? Science में कितना score आया? 120. Question is asking you to check the sum of the marks obtained in social studies and math. तो पहले SST and math का ले लें, social science and math. 135.0 97.5. This is social studies and math. 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 9 plus 1, 10, and 3, 13. 1 and 1 is 2. So total of these two subjects is 232.5. Another combination is given for science and Hindi. ठीक है? Science and Hindi. If we add these two, 105 and 125 to 225. Question is asking, the sum of the marks obtained in social studies and math is more than in science and Hindi. Is this number more than 225? Answer is yes. So you need to write yes here. Yes, the marks obtained in social studies and math together are more than that of science and Hindi together. ठीक है? I hope you are able to understand it well. I'll just give you a quick recap once again how you're going to go about the next of the questions. Okay. First of all, what you're going to do, you have to check what is the total given for any particular chart. Okay. Make the fraction. Fraction should be converted to degree. अब degree कैसे convert करते हैं? Whatever is the value of fraction, multiply it by 360 degrees, you will get the degree. डिग्री हम कैसे करते हैं बेटा? अगर ये आपका सर्कल ग्राफ है, ठीक है, ये आपका सर्कल है, मान लो आपको इसके अंदर 120 डिग्रीज बनाना है. आप अपना प्रोटेक्टर, इमेजिन दिस इज योर प्रोटेक्टर, पूरा प्रोटेक्टर है, यहाँ पर भी 0 है 180, यहाँ पर भी 0 है 180. इट इज योर चॉइस, विच एवर 0 यू कैन पिक. अगर मुझे यहां से मैं एंगल शुरू कर रही हूँ, आई एम ओपनिंग द एंगल फ्रॉम हियर, तो आप ये ऊपर वाले नंबर भूल जाओगे. यू हैव टू कंसिडर द नंबर 0, 10, 20, 30. ठीक है, 0, 10, 20, 30, इट विल गो टिल 90 हियर, 100, 110, 120. ठीक है, सेंटर से आप 120 मार्क करोगे, ये पूरा एंगल बन गया 120. इसके बाद मान लो आपको बनाना है 85. ठीक है, आप क्या करोगे? इट इज वेरी इजी. आपको नोटबुक तो हम टर्न अराउंड कर सकते हैं ना. टर्न अराउंड योर नोटबुक एंड कंसीडर एज इफ, देखो, कंसीडर एज इफ दिस इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ठीक है, ये स्ट्रेट लाइन है एंड योर कंपास इज लाइंग समवेयर हियर. मान लो मैंने कंपास यहाँ पर रखा है, बिल्कुल आसान है. कंपास यहाँ पे रखा है, अभी 120 हम बना चुके हैं ना, इसको भूल जाओ. नाउ turn around your notebook and consider this is your protector. अब यहाँ पर क्या मैं 85 नहीं बना सकती हूँ? Again, there is a 0 here and 180 here in your protector. Count from 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 चलता जाएगा. 85 will be coming somewhere here. तो आप क्या करोगे? Then from center, mark a point here and that is 85 degrees. आप यहाँ पे बना दोगे 85 degrees. ठीक है, अब इसके बाद मान लो आपको फिर से 60 डिग्री बनाना है. अब मैं 60 डिग्री के लिए क्या करूं, है ना? अगेन इमेजिन मी जस्ट, यस. अब आप क्या करोगे? अगेन कीप योर प्रोटेक्टर हियर. अभी मैं इतना बना चुकी हूं ना, आपका प्रोटेक्टर मान लो ऐसे रखा हुआ है. आप यहां से शुरू करो, 0 से 180 है ना, 0 से मेजर करना शुरू करो. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. यहाँ 60 पे डॉट लगाओ and join it up. This angle is 60. In the similar manner, by rotating your notebook and adjusting the protector, you can easily measure the angles. ठीक है, this is all about the circle graph, pie chart or the circle chart. I hope you are able to understand how to formulate the percentages, degrees, how to show that. But please practice how to use the protector for marking these angles. That is the task. ठीक है, the more you make, the more you'll get the confidence. So thank you so very much for watching in and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.